Malik App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get mileage tracking wrong by assuming it's tedious or manual. Malik in 2025 makes tracking your business miles effortless, but is it worth it? Malik automatically logs your drives using your smartphone's GPS, categorizing trips as business or personal. The surprising truth is accuracy. You won't believe what happens next when you realize it calculates mileage precisely for tax deductions or reimbursements, saving hours of manual logging each month. Another advantage is organization. Most people get this wrong by thinking you need to manually sort trips. Malik generates detailed reports, integrates with expense software, and even allows you to classify drives with a single swipe. This makes tax season far less stressful and maximizes deductions. However, there are cons. The app consumes battery when GBase is active, and free users are limited to a set number of drives per month. Premium subscription is required for unlimited tracking, which may be a factor for casual users. Occasionally, GBase may misclassify trips if signal is weak. In conclusion, Malik is ideal for self-employed professionals, contractors, and anyone who drives frequently for work in 2025. It offers reliable tracking, detailed reporting, and seamless organization. If maximizing tax deductions and reducing manual effort is your goal, Malik delivers a simple, effective solution for your mileage tracking needs.